So if you're creating any kind of YouTube channel or daily motion, how to increase my earnings? How to increase my earnings? So in a daily motion, I have to upload video for earning purpose. But right now, I don't have any videos. How to make the video? In this video, first step is called to make the text to video making. So we can text will be taking for website tutorial prepared by the along with first title and description. Finally, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Here, sometimes you can give by option call is follow also. Copy this total content. In this major important website is called image2video.com. Any video making for text to video, first option is called text is important. Second will be called logo. Third will be music. So select by the convert text to video. This will be valid for Dailymotion and YouTube to earning for earnings purpose. Now come down. Pasting here. Select your background image. Next, click for next option. Why I'm searching for background theme, but people easily identify my scenario on this background. Or else you can use your exact background image. So after that, change your font and your font will be your size of your font option. Add for shadow. Now click for next. I'm asking for audio file. Select your audio file. This audio file we can download using by the YouTube. There's a totally no copyrights. Upload. After that, add your logo. Without adding logo, any video you can copyright by any user. This is a very important to add your logo each and every video. Select it. Upload. Now click for create a video now. Sometimes the button will be visible. That is mean by the website is going to update. Sometimes the button will be not visible. Means that website is going to update. Now click here. Exactly the file will be converting time will be within a minute of time. Your based on internet, they finish by within a minute. Your internet will be slow. They take for minimum 2 minutes. So any content will be prepared. Don't forget this option. Like, share, comment, and subscribe and follow. If using text, if using for images, add by image. This is a very mandatory field to making the video text to video making. One of the famous website image to video.com. And here I'm using by music, but I'm give by direct by voice. Both option will be eligible. You can voice also will be created by your content. Text to video making I'm using for music. I'm using by your voice also. Once finished, I'll show that one also. So video will be done. Success will be 100%. Now you can people, any people checking by this video. Now see this one. By using music. Now keep it on this side for download. There's a step 1 process. Step 2. So once you did download here, download will be start. Second step, same will be select. I'm not using for music. I'm using my voice. I'm using my voice. Same as it is. Copy. Here will be paste. Add your background image. Select. For the first one is the audio. Audio purpose will create from text-to-speech.com. From text-to-speech.com. In this, total text will be copy and paste. Here will be what your language you need. US English, British English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, and Russian and Korean. So, in this, not accepting on Telugu and Tamil and Hindi, only accepted by the English and other country languages. Now you can set your voice, alias, Daisy, Roger, and Jenna and John. Setting for alias, my voice always will be going to slow. Right? People can understand easily and clearly. Now clear for the audio file. So here nothing will be there. Just you can keep it in mind to make the video by with the voice and with the music. Download the file. It's going to wait for a second for converting the file. Select it. Click for download. Download file will be there. There is showing for number is 48768263. Audio file. Now select option call is where. Coming to download 48768263 is the file. Next add your logo. Now click the create video. First time make the video will be music. Now I make the video will be voice. Video making for text to video, image to video making, and this option call is text to video. For voice purpose, from text to speech.com. Note down the URLs. Text will be converted as voice from text to speech.com. Text to video making. The website is called image to video.com.